Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, thank you for clicking, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be showing you one of the most simplest and one of the most profitable AI skills to have today, and that skill is turning AI generated images into clean, professional looking video ads. This is the same method freelancers use to earn $20 to $100 on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and you can do all that from the convenience of your mobile phone for free. What do you need? All you need is your AI tool. You need your AI tools like ChatGPT for prompt generation. You need AI image generating tools like piclumen, Nigerian AI, Leonardo AI, and other AIs out there. Then what we have to do is to go to ChatGPT. We'll go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT the kind of art we want to create and what we want those arts to look like. ChatGPT will give us a script for voiceovers, audios, and scenes. Ask ChatGPT to also give us motion prompts that will be able to make these videos move and flow the way we want them to move. After we've gotten scripts, prompts from ChatGPT, what we'll have to do next is to move to our image generating tools. For the case of this tutorial, we'll be using piclumen to generate our images. So we go to piclumen, we input in the prompt we've already copied from ChatGPT. Our images will be generated. So after using piclumen to generate our images, we'll save them on our phone. Then we'll move on to Hailou AI, which we'll be using to turn our image to video in this case. There are other apps we can use, but for today we'll focus on Hailou AI. So when we go to Hailou AI always gives you free coins to use every day. Each image to video generation costs 25 coins on Hailou AI. To upload your images on Hailou AI, you will click on the start frame. The end frame is optional, but I always use the end frame, especially when I'm going to add content creation on Hailou AI. So when you upload the start frame of how you want your video to start, you go to the end, then you upload the end frame of how you want your video to end. Then you go back to ChatGPT and you copy the motion prompts that ChatGPT created for you on how you want your videos to move. Then you paste that motion prompt on Hailou AI, and then you wait for that video to be generated. After the video has been generated on Hailou AI, you would now move to Dreamface, which is the lip syncing AI tool you use to input audio to your video. So when you get to Dreamface AI, you can either choose to use the AI option that is available for you, the AI voice option, but I always choose to use my own voice because I feel like I can control my pitch the way I want it to be. When you choose to use your own voice, you go to the record option, record the voiceover that was given to you by ChatGPT. You can choose to get your own voiceover. If you've already gotten a client and the client has something that they want you to say, you can use the voiceover given to you by the client. If you don't have a client yet and you're just creating these videos for your own portfolio, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a voiceover you want to use and you use that voiceover. Or if you already have something in mind you want to say, you can now use the record option to record what you want to say. Or you can actually give ChatGPT what you want to say and tell it to fine tune and tweak it for you to make it sound more professional. And then you can take it to Dreamface AI and you can use it to record the audio you want to record on your video. After it's done generating this video for you, you download it to your phone and then you take it to your editor. When you get to your editing tool, you put in all the information your clients want you to put, or you put in all the information you want to input. If this is for your portfolio, or put in the address, the name of the business, the location, the phone number, the contact details. Put in and arrange all the information the client wants you to include in the ad video, or you want to include in the ad video that you're creating for your portfolio. You've done all this, then you export the video and save it on your phone. Don't forget, for every single AI poster or video you've created for art or for any purpose, don't forget to create a dedicated Google Drive used for saving this, because these are all your portfolio and these are what you submit to clients to review your portfolio and make you an offer. How to sell these services? If you're one of those extroverts that can easily approach any businesses, look for the manager, talk to the manager about your offer, about what you have to do for them, and about how they can leverage AI services to take their businesses to the next level by advertising on TikTok and Instagram. Businesses around you that you can approach for this kind of restaurants, salons, gyms, boutique, eateries, supermarkets, local hotels. All these are businesses that you can actually approach and talk to about your AI services and about the offer you have for them. And for those of my introverts who don't like talking and who don't like going out to pitch business, who don't like meeting people to talk, what you can do is you start small. If you have a family friend, or if your family has a business, you create this ad for your business and then you show family and friends what you've created. Or if you have a family friend that runs a business, you can offer to create this for him free once, and then he can refer you to other businesses around him based on the business revenue, based on their clients, based on the kind of services they offer. You can charge 10K to 40K for each ad you create for them. And don't forget, you're using free AI tools to create this ad while charging 10K to 40K. So you can imagine the profit you're going to be getting getting from each of these ads we create for these businesses. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you've gotten something from this video, and I hope you've learned something. If you want me to make a video showing you how you can create a ready-made ad template you can sell immediately and impute any type of businesses into this template, comment down below and we'll get to that video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and come back for the next AI money making video tutorial coming up soon. Bye.
Are you craving a hot meal made with love and with care? At Mama T's Kitchen, you get food packed with flavor, packed with love, and packed with care, made with spices of life. Why don't you come over to Mama T's Kitchen and order? And then you get why everybody comes back for more, always.